Ladies and gents, Razzii Grows. I'm your host. And over here, we're looking into my Cash App stock portfolio. So I got Shirley Williams, Burlington Coat Factory, SPDR S&P 500, the Crisp whatever, Therapeutics, MicroStrategy, McDonald's, Sprinkler R, and Prime Medicine. But the last two I wouldn't recommend since I had them for a while and they have not made no profit. Like, I put $1, I believe, into McDonald's and I already made, whatever, 6 cents. But it's the idea that we're talking about here. So I usually try to put money into stocks where places where people usually go shop at a lot. Burlington Coat Factory always got lines out the door. McDonald's, they're now delivering food almost like DoorDash or DoorDash. So they're trying to cut off the middleman. Now they want to deliver their own food. Now they want to probably compete with Domino's Pizza. So I look at things like that and so forth. So, these are my current stock picks for the moment. With some of these I'm gonna dollar cost average and then, buy low, sell high. I don't know. I'm gonna see how this goes. But make sure you guys follow me, hit that subscribe button, and I will give you a recap on my journey if time permits. Peace out.